If you were looking for a storage unit, this one here is really fantastic. This is a 6 unit. It took my stepdaughter maybe about 20 minutes to put together, which is awesome. So it's nice and easy. The pieces do just snap together and they give you all of those pieces that you need. They even give you an extra storage piece because you actually can change the layout of the design if you want. So depending on what you are looking for, the instructions are really clear on how to set that up. I do love that it's got the little hook here on the side. So if you wanted to hook like, your purse or your keys or something like that, makes it nice and simple. This is kind of like a really nice, like thick vinyl-y plastic material. And I did read that each cube holds about 15 pounds. So you don't want to overpack it. Obviously, as you can see, it's not made of wood or anything like that. But yeah, if you have 6 of these and then 15 pounds each, you can still, this is really nice, for shoes. If you want to put in a little area, I can see like some books or some like plants and succulents inside here. I think it'd be really nice. And it does come in different colors. Now that I think about it, this would be really cute in a closet as well. You can put your clothes in here because those aren't very heavy. So this one is the black one, but they do have a lot of different colors for you to choose from as well.